bless the pig that bore that pig and all them pigs before. Bless the man who raised that pig is a dirty, rotten chore. Bless the man who killed that pig and sent him to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, could not ask for more. Now I've eaten ribs in Memphis, in Natchez and Mobile, and I've eaten ribs in Austin, up around New Deal. And I've had ribs in Chicago, and they were more than right, but none can compare with the ribs we chonking on down here tonight. So we gotta bless that pig that bore that pig and all them pigs before. Bless the man that killed that pig is a dirty, rotten chore. Bless the man who raised that pig and sent him to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, we could not ask for more. Now there's some they smoke with a hickory and others with mesquite. Some men ate fine red wine and others sneaky Pete. And when that meat falls off that bone, you throw all that aside. You just grab a rack, cut her up, hang on for the ride, and you bless that pig, yeah, boy, that pig and all the pigs before. And you bless that man who raised that pig, it's a dirty, rotten chore. Bless the man who killed that pig and sent him to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, but good night, as I'm on now. Pig and bore that pig and all them pigs before. Bless the man who raised this pig is a dirty, rotten chore. Bless the man who killed this pig, sent him to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, but could not ask for more. Now there's a chicken, beef, and mutton, yo, they're all pretty good. Now barbecue spaghetti, whoo, Lord, that's a waste of wood. If steak or fish is all you got, well, I'll get right in line. But a pulled pork shoulder or a dry rub rack, now that's that food supply. And you gotta bless that pig and bore that pig and all them pigs before. Bless that man who raised that pig is a dirty, rotten, sticky chore. Bless that man who killed that pig and sent it to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, good night and some more. Whoa, bless that pig and bore that pig and all them pigs before. Bless that man who raised that pig is a dirty, sticky, rotten chore. Bless that man who killed that pig, sent him to the grocery store. Bless this barbecue tonight, we could not ask for more.
It has become a tradition at San Angelo National Ceramic Competition and event to close with a party of food, friends, and music to celebrate our sharing of the art spirit. This features the Old Hat Band, which includes T. Gosney Thornton and Richard Ramirez, who was one of the original chicken farm founders. We end the evening gathered together in a circle singing and dancing to this next song. Here's the Old Hat Band doing their version of Will the Circle Be Unbroken?
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Well, I was lost, that saved a wretch like me. Well, I once was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now